Hey guys, Ari Wintraub, your favorite Los Angeles realtor, back again. I'm excited to show you today my latest listing at 8871 Burton Way. We're in West Hollywood, a great area, Beverly Hills adjacent, next to all the shopping and amenities of Robertson Boulevard. You're gonna love this unit, so come on in, let's take a look. Stepping out of the entry hall into this amazing living room space, it just explodes with daylight and 12-foot ceiling height. It has floor-to-ceiling windows looking east across Beverly Hills towards Mid-City, and just what a room and scale and breadth that this has. Again, all the ceilings are smooth to be contemporized as the walls are. We have recessed lighting seen here and throughout, which is all dimmable. I want to give a quick shout out to the designers who staged the unit, Vesta. They've done a phenomenal job in showing us how this unit could be lived in and what the decor would be like. As you can see, this is a huge couch, 4-pillowed sofa, and still plenty of room on either side. I want to point out a great detail that mirrors what's happening in the kitchen. So this is a quartz Cosentino tile that is seen in the kitchen and then as well shared here as the hearth in front of the fireplace. So super excited to continue in more details throughout the unit. Let's go. Now stepping into this third bonus room, a really smart part of the remodel is they've added privacy pocket doors that fully enclose this possible third bedroom or home office. As you can see, it is now decorated for. One could enjoy direct access to an outdoor balcony to take a phone call while working from home, or of course use this as a guest bedroom. I just love the choice of these ceiling fixtures, which are all from Pottery Barn. The hardware in the chrome finish, and then the shade, which is that very elegant cloth. Now, coming out back into the living room, we have direct access into the dining area, which continues with the solid parquet wood flooring. And as you look, you again can see that nice contemporary gray hue that it has, which balances so well off of the color palette of the walls. This ceiling fixture, again from Pottery Barn, done in a polished chrome. Again, a very elegant, timeless touch with shades is so nice. And of course, it also has access to the balcony. About to step into the kitchen, which abounds with updates and features and components that I'm really excited to show off. Stepping into the double galley-wide kitchen, I just love the backsplash here, done in a herringbone Carrera marble running the entire length of this wall. The Bosch European-made French door fridge, seamless because the water dispenser is moved to the inside. I just love the back plate, which is also stainless steel, and then these movable trays for butter. It's Wi-Fi compatible, great ice maker inside the freezer. Bertazzoni fixed in an automated microwave. Also Bertazzoni 36-inch range with, I love this detail. It's almost like a racing car dial speedometer with a red needle. Coming across to the sink area, it just is incredible how open this is and how one can enjoy the light coming in from that massive ceiling height and windows in the living room. So it's a front aproned dual sink by Kohler with a matching Kohler water fixture and wand. Again, this countertop is by Cosentino. I mentioned it earlier as the fireplace hearth, and it is incredible material. It's a hybrid of crushed glass and quartz made to be super resilient to staining from acids and oil, and then of course durable against scratching. And it has that speckled kind of Caesar stone look and just very much a timeless look to it. Continuing on this side of the kitchen, we enjoy a built-in pantry, and this hardware, it's just amazing. It's all that polished chrome, really elegant. This kitchen is something you'd see really in an estate home of like a $6 million plus house. To have this amount of storage and this sort of elegance and finish. I mean, I love, Kostas, this front paneled stove hood in that shaker style, which just blends so seamlessly with the cabinetry. My last and favorite component of the kitchen is this 24-inch Zephyr wine fridge. It's dual cooling, so you got reds on top, and you can actually feel the difference in the bottles, where below is your champagne whites and rosés, and they're that much cooler. So it's 45 bottle capacity, and just one of my favorite features. So heading out of the kitchen, I'm really excited now to check out the back wing of the unit and show off the great bedroom and bathrooms. Heading now back to the sleeping quarters of the unit, you have your first bathroom of 3, the powder room, and a really smart tweak in the remodel was creating this bathroom to be ensuite with this second bedroom. Before, it was only accessible through the hallway door, but as you'll see in here, you can actually access it now through the bedroom, making it ensuite. So again, a really large scale bedroom, great ceiling height. I love about this room is the clear story windows emitting so much natural daylight. So again, stepping through the walk-in closet, this is where we now have achieved direct ensuite access to this bathroom. Like all the bathrooms fitted with Japanese toilet by Toto, I just love the timeless finishes that are never gonna go out of style. It's just a simple, clean, square floor inch tile on the base of the shower. The shampoo niche is just sort of narrow and sleek. All the hardware, polished chrome from Pottery Barn. And I really love, and I want to show off the detail, Kostas, of the fill-rich tap and faucet. This is done in an uncoated finish, so over time we'll have that sort of more antique patinaed look. Last but not least, I want to show you guys amazing primary bedroom and bathroom. So let's head over that way. Stepping into the primary bedroom, again, one can just feel the size, the girth of this older style, elegant unit. The bedroom is huge, and it can really be seen with the amount of size. In addition to these oversized nightstands, you can fit one more on each side. Again, the smooth walls, the no texture in the ceilings, and what great light we are getting here midday. Kostas, if you pan around, you can see as well, we have the, private balcony with, very generous depth for seating and fresh air off of the primary bedroom. So coming through here towards the bathroom, which I cannot wait for you guys to see. So very smart design in the closets that is double hung rods for extra capacity, and then built-in shelving. As we come into the bathroom, you just exude with that traditional elevated elegance. We have the Pottery Barn sconces, the double vanity, again with the fill-rich, non-coated, that will patina very nicely, the chrome faucet and tap. All the Pottery Barn accessory are seen throughout the unit, with the towel racks. We have a dedicated private toilet closet, again with the Toto toilet. And I just love how they've continued the floor tile here. So it steps over the shower ridge, in and across the floor, and then up the wall across the shampoo niche. And just what an incredible glass door with the polished chrome hardware and just the fixed panes on either side. Last but not least, the most inviting part of this bathroom is the Barclay freestanding tub. And another great detail just to exemplify the craftsmanship and the work of this unit. Look at this detail. I mean, the floor door stopper, it just comes within literally a half an inch or a quarter of an inch of this door. So just an elegant, again, like the rest of the unit, very elevated, almost estate-like primary bathroom. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at the details of this amazing unit as much as I have. Do see the notes and description below for all the details on this unit, which we currently have listed. And then of course, please do subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.